Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and this is a beautiful heavy-duty mat. This is the Uniboho Outdoor Rubber Floor Mat. It is commercial grade, so it can take a beating. I love this. I live in a rural area, which means I'm going to get a lot of weather and dirt, and this is just so well made. The rubber, the holes going through it, just make it so flexible and also allow a lot of the dirt and grime to just get on and go through. I just love also the look of it. You can see what a difference it made for the landing pad of our staircase. You can just see the quality of it. It is so thick. You can see the ribs around each circle allows you to catch all of that dirt and grime. It is weatherproof. It is dirt and grime proof. You can just wipe whatever you need to. It's going to take it off of your shoes, leave it on the mat, and even just slide right through. And because it's made of rubber, you can easily sweep underneath it and rinse this. It is such an easy upkeep. You can hose it, you can scrub it if you want, but honestly, I felt hosing it down did just a perfect job. You can get through all those little holes and just slide it back into place. And you can continue enjoying this awesome mat for so many more years to come. And that's my point of view.